realizing it's toxic and I need to get out more of it. Search volume for Impulse coffees on Amazon is the highest. किचन काम नहीं करना था इसलिए मैं धंधा कर रही हूँ. Watch it all on Reels because Reels is what's working. How do these brands afford shipping for these big PR? Why do you think मेरे बाल झड़ रहे हैं? Do anything for views. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another So Hustle with Sar where you and I we hustle together. It's 9 a.m. on a Monday morning. It's an early morning call time shoot. थोड़े से campaigns बचे हैं Impulse के. We are shooting a lifestyle campaign where we basically give the experience, the hustle on the go वाला motto for YouTube. So basically in a horizontal format जो हम Amazon ads के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. And just a couple more pictures and you know videos that were remaining from the sachet shoot day. जो I'm not like fully satisfied कि हमको photos मिले हैं. Those all we are completing today. So it's going to be a full shoot day only जैसे normal Impulse का होता है. So it's a full hustle day. Quickly gonna do my makeup because of course I'm the model and we have the full crew outside who's doing the setup.
के लिए आप ऐसे वो
हाँ मैं फोन पे बात कर रही हूँ या ऑस्मो पे ऐसा कर रही हूँ वैसा ले लेते हैं क्रिएटर फिर एंटरप्रेन्योर लैपटॉप पे आई एम टाइपिंग समथिंग अग्रेसिवली यू कैन टेक दैट शॉट एंड देन डॉग मोम आई प्ले नहीं आ रहा है ना गाइस मिड शूट एक ही कुर्सी लाए बाकी की दो कभी ये मेरी न्यू कुर्सी है ये जो मैं बोली ना फैब्रिक चेंज करा रही हूँ सफेद काला हो गया शेरिन न्यू कुर्सी नाइस कलर वेरी कॉफी अभी घर भी कॉफी और धंधा भी कॉफी मैं स्टाफ ऐसी बिठाने वाली प्लास्टिक के ऊपर अभी आगे से आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दैट चद्दर इन एवरी दिस इज एन एग्जिस्टिंग वन आई टोल्ड हिम टू ऐड मोर फोम एंड पैडिंग विल डू बिफोर आफ्टर ना रील बनाएंगे ना इस पे आ जाओ ब्लिंकिट भी आ गया इसका शॉर्ट लेना है क्या उनको बोलो उनका टी शर्ट देने के लिए बनाओ मैक्रो है ना ये
हाँ मैक्रो है पहले आप है ना कप प्लेस करोगे उस पे
ठीक है पानी का
कप
ओके थैंक यू बैक अप सक्सेसफुल शूट यप यस to you too
2 hours later.
We had an amazing shoot day. मुझे इतना ज़्यादा मजा आया shoot करके with this new team. It was beautiful. Like their vision, they were so like creative, and we were just shooting like extra stuff today. But बहुत मजा आया because they gave so much input and a new perspective to the whole sachet का shoot. तो जितनी सारे like चीजें हमको नहीं मिली थी sachet वाले shoot day पे सब कुछ मिल भी गया. Like I got very satisfied that finally I got my outcome, my output, everything. And most importantly, they were amazing to work with. So I really enjoyed shooting with them. The shoot day आज अच्छा हो गया and it was a very good Monday, a super satisfying Monday. So आज हमको dinner, actually हमको ये dinner invite Friday को आया था. It is for Courtyard by Marriott's new restaurant that they've opened. It's in Andheri near the airport. But we couldn't make it on Friday because मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा था. I had a very busy last week. So today I was like it's okay even if it's Monday. I had a long day but a very satisfying day. So Reet and I are going for dinner. I think Sabrina is also going to join us over there. I'll just call and ask her if she's coming. Because I asked her if she wants to come. So she said yes. I don't know if she's left from home or no. तो हम यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं and she will meet us maybe at Marriott or if she's not coming then she'll not meet us. Let's go to I'm driving also. आज मेरा मन है ड्राइव करने का. कल रात को हम बाहर गए थे ना रीता और मैं तो ऐसा मुझे मन किया कि चलो अभी हमको ज्यादा बाहर जाना चाहिए. I just lock myself so much in the house. I work from home. I like to rest also at home. I'm such a homebody that I barely get out of the house and now 2026 में I'm realizing it's toxic and I need to get out more often. So we're going. Let's go to eat dinner. Come on.
I am ready.
What? Who made it late, Fudgy, today? Where you're coming? You're coming to Umrao Jan. You can't come. पहले ही नहीं आ रहा है. Fudgy, today though you had lot of fun. Okay, Mama woke up so early and started playing with you. Today I woke up at 7 o'clock, guys. And by the way, my team has decided to change the timing of office. कल से वो लोग 9 to 5 बोल रहे हैं. I have made a 9 to 5 within my house, literally.
So we have three concepts like Nama, Sangam and the Rag.
Okay.
So Rag is the pillar of our active
Okay.
like beverage program that we are doing. So as you can see there are 7 swars are written here and every cocktail has a name based on what it is.
is the paratha.
Yeah, the Umrao special.
Okay.
Looks like
Yeah.
it's like little bit of lacha paratha.
Yeah.
So, as I mentioned
Yes.
already, so our nihari is having these two versions. So, in Lucknow, we get the different kind of nihari, and in Delhi also. So, some people are like they want to enjoy the both. So, that same concept we have brought into this. So, in this nihari, the gravy which you are seeing right now, the yellow one, is our Lucknow based. And then we are having this Delhi based nihari. So, we will just pour on this.
Ah.
Sugar free dessert.
Really?
Yeah, it's a sugar free.
Oh, I'm eating the faluda then.
The sweetness which you get is totally from the figs and dates only. So
Oh.
it's totally sugar free dessert.
Oh.
See also it's dates and figs kulfi. Even this the compote which we have made that is also figs and date compote.
Okay.
The next morning.
Good morning guys. It is 13 Jan Tuesday today and आज सुबह हम सब बहुत जल्दी उठे इम्पल्स ऑफिस में क्योंकि कल रूल बनाया गया है ऑफिस में कि 9 से 5 काम करेंगे. यूजुअली हम 11 से 7 करते हैं. सब ऐसा मर मर के आ रहे हैं कॉफी पी के जीने की कोशिश. मेरे तो आंखों में दिख रहा है कि मैं मर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं तो कल भी जल्दी उठी थी शूट के लिए और मेरे को अभी वो रूटीन में आने टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज इफ यू हैव टू गेट टू वर्क एट 9 दैट मींस आई हैव टू वेक अप बाय एटलीस्ट 8 टू गेट अप have my shower, do my rituals before the staff comes over, which I didn't get to do today. But I had a bath, but they were still there. Anyway, we'll get into routine this week. We are going to evaluate, analyze, and then take a vote in the team के लोगों को कैसा लग रहा है ये जल्दी आके जल्दी जाना या फिर जैसा था. We did need not mend what's not broken in my opinion, but it's okay. I will do whatever the team wants to do. And yeah, I'm like half in sleep. Today is a proper Sara Sarosh day because yesterday was a proper Impulse Coffees day. We are going to try to shoot a YouTube video, couple of reels. I have to check my vlog edit and everything, and also look at what we are posting this week on YouTube and everything. So content heavy din hai aaj ka. Let's get started. Oh, there's such a good news guys. Morning I got up and I saw my Amazon person sent me a screenshot. Over here I'm gonna put it. We are ranking at the highest in top search volume on keyword Impulse Coffees on Amazon. मतलब जो लोग Amazon पे जा रहे हैं कॉफी के बाद उन लोग Impulse Coffee सर्च कर रहे हैं. Literally I've surpassed all the competitors and the search volume for Impulse Coffees on Amazon is the highest, which is mashallah. You have no idea how hard I've worked for this, like to just create demand for your product. This is the search volume. People are and then the other competitors start bidding on your keyword. So that's crazy. I'm so excited. Like today उठते के साथ only I saw that message from her, so I was very happy. Mashallah. Like our team at marketing, you know, our main thing is marketing over here. I create content. All of us like are content heavy people in this office. So marketing is our main thing, and this is organic marketing because हमारी search volume ज़्यादा है. इस पे हम लोग spend नहीं कर सकते. Search volume is whatever organically people are searching for, उसकी ranking. So आप उतने सैशेस दे सकते हो ना फेब तक.
हाँ, वो आप मुझे कितना करना है वो एक बार पीओ डाल दीजिए ना.
मैंने दिया ना आपको पर्सनल चैट पे.
हाँ, वो 3 महीने का आपने बताया था ना.
3 महीने का नहीं है ये, मैं 1 महीने का बोल रही हूँ आपको.
A few moments later.
What you did?
What I did, open it. It's just the Amazon got the box all crumpled, but just open it.
Oh my god! What is you and giving me shoes and shoes? So many shoes. Oh my god!
This is a nice note.
This is the best choice you've ever made, Jakaria. You know, after me, you've not made a very good choice with anything you've given me, I must say. But this is wow, Reet.
They're never in stock. They're never in stock in your size. It is.
Oh my god! I didn't even know they existed.
Yeah,
they're so cool.
they're never in stock. They're never in stock.
I love them, and they'll go with so many outfits.
I loved it immediately when they showed.
What is this? What is? You're wasting too much money, Jakaria. I'll give you.
Wow!
Aapne, for Christmas also you gave me one shoe.
Yeah, so.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my first Palermo. I actually really like this shoe also. Jakaria
They have
doesn't-
only two.
Why
One
is
one
this
one
not
for
coming to
sweet.
me on my birthday?
This is your pre-birthday gift.
Oh my god, y'all are really spoiling me this time. Like, ये शेड भी इतना परफेक्ट है, मेरे सारे आउटफिट्स के साथ जाएगा. Now I don't need to buy
Slytherin
Onitsuka.
wala, Slytherin
Yesterday
wala.
she
Why?
told me-
When you said
yesterday she told me-
Onitsuka,
Yes, and
yeah,
I was
I
like,
also said
but you
yeah.
weren't ready for
Why?
this one.
She said Onitsuka. I was like, yeah, order.
Yeah,
I was laughing
same.
under. I was like, yeah,
Same
order.
reaction, I didn't say. I'm like, look.
Please घुस.
कहीं नहीं है
Dude, they
ये
make my
जूता.
feet look so nice and they're comfortable, not like Sambas. They're genuinely comfortable. Finally, a shoe that looks good and is comfortable. ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये genuinely बहुत अच्छा. Come here. She, what Mama got? She what Dada gave Mama. You like Mama's shoe?
Many hours later.
Is this fake?
No.
I'm not paying you to say nice things about me. Okay.
Not about you, about the coffee.
Coffee, yeah, my artwork. It's good, right? There, मीठी.
आपने क्या डाला है इसमें? अच्छा वो
बहुत कुछ.
बहुत अच्छा है.
Full calories से भरा.
Yeah, brown sugar, caramel sauce,
Condensed
milk
milk.
foam, condensed milk.
बहुत अच्छी है.
Guys, I shot such a beautiful yet messy, because I'm not a clean cook, recipe. Because when I started the brand, nobody told me I'd have to do all this kitchen काम नहीं करना था, इसलिए मैं धंधा कर रही हूँ. But this is part of the धंधा. And Sharon, being hopeless as she is, did not vlog anything.
Guys,
because she today 9 to 5 करना था. मैम 9 बजे नहीं आई, 9 बजे नहीं है.
तो क्या 5 बज के चले गए, फिर भी मैडम इधर ही है.
Okay. Taste my coffee. Double. तुम fit भी नहीं होते फ्रेम में. रुको.
This is nice. This is very nice. Very nice.
है ना? देखिए मुझे भी आता है खाना बनाने.
Coffee is the only thing that she can make, but still.
The behind the
mess-
scenes was
The mess she creates is.
You have to only look at the after result. Okay, guys.
I used to
kitchen
tell
कहाँ
the same thing to my mom. Now I understand what my mom must have gone.
Guys, yes, I love it. Good job, Sarah. Amazing. Thanks, guys. My girls gave me the recipe. We were like, ये भी डालते. Like Sharon gave the idea of mixing caramel and mocha. Recipe on Impulse Coffee's YouTube and Sarah Solution Impulse Coffee's Instagram. Because Sharon didn't vlog, so that's so bad.
Sharon is vlogging.
Now she's vlogging. Okay. अभी हमको YouTube वीडियो नहीं करना है. L'Oreal का वीडियो करना है. लाइट जाने से पहले. Impulse team, शुक्रिया.
आपने सच्ची में डोनेट नहीं डाला?
नहीं डाला.
नहीं, डोनट नहीं डाला.
मेरे को लगा आपने डोनेट डाला है.
नहीं. We tried to duplicate that
हाँ,
taste.
तो
in
वो
a
अच्छा मेरे को पता नहीं था. मेरे को लगा आपने डोनेट डाला है.
डोनट डालेंगे तो आटे का taste.
बट आई सेंट यू नो वो डोनट वाला एक कॉफी.
उसी से इंस्पायर होके
वो भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं ना, बट वो पूरा सॉगी हो जाएगा. That's
उसमें
like
ग्लेज डोनट रिक्रिएट किया, तो मैं बोली मेरा बचपन इज
हाँ,
डबल, सो आई गिव दैट हुक के रिक्रिएटिंग माय बचपन इन अ कॉफी.
20 minutes later.
Guys, the things we do for content in this house is crazy.
भूख लगी मुझे तो मार रहे हो.
Don't hit me with the book. Sharon मेरा मेकअप सुखा रही है because हमने L'Oreal का setting spray टेस्ट किया by having a bath, literally. Watch it all on Reels because Reels is what's working. And L'Oreal का setting spray टेस्ट करने के लिए torture किया उसको नहला के. And my makeup is still there, but of course I need to dry the water to do the outro of the video. This is how Sharon का gym इधर हो गया. Gym की membership लेके गई तो नहीं है उसका New Year resolution. Makeup still looks beautiful, literally drenched. Like can you see this water? हम लोग literally shower on करके नहा ली उसमें से. अभी sunlight जाने से पहले need to take outro.
The next morning.
Good morning guys. आज मुझे समझा कि मेरे घर पे morning light भी आती है क्योंकि इतनी सुबह तो मैं उठती नहीं थी to see the sunrise. So this is morning light and then evening light we get in the studio. अभी evening light तक हम काम ही नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. आज शूट करने हुए तो करेंगे. आज फजी ये 9 to 5 वाला रूटीन ना everybody has different opinions about it. फजू तो कल ऐसे घेतली में था पूरा दिन. He was like क्या हो गया इन लोग जल्दी क्यों आ गए. And then today he's adjusted. No mama, no shunu. Faji adjust so fast to a new routine. I'm shooting a reel now. फटाफट shoot complete करेंगे and then we'll move to admin work. घर बनाते वक्त सबसे बड़ा स्कैम तो मेरे साथ Pinterest से हुआ है. Guys, the difference in the chairs, I'm so glad we got this done. We were making 2 more chairs for this area because the accounts team जिस दिन आती है ना बहुत लोग हो जाते हैं घर में, तो वो चेयर के ऑर्डर में I was like refabricate भी कर दो क्योंकि look at how dirty they look. Like उल्टी आ रही है देख के कितना गंदगी बैठा है उस पर. Velvet पे even if dust settles, it's easy to clean. Like Satyam does keep wiping these chairs every Sunday. He does deep clean. Satyam is like करता हो. But अभी सत्यम इसको एकदम ही ऐसे ही रखना है. ओके घर बनाते समय तेरे को वही बोला था. ये व्हाइट किचन मेरा अभी तक व्हाइट है बट व्हाइट चेयर्स मेरी व्हाइट नहीं रही. Yeah, and no other guys.
1 hour later.
On my channel के हर साल मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ कि what was the best and the worst of the previous year and मैं क्या लेके जाऊंगी in my next year also. First, what Dada did to you? He put his chashma on you. So geek you're looking.
क्या मजे में he's not doing anything. See?
First you? You're Harry Potter dog.
Oh, yo.
गया ना चश्मा. अब वो बोला बस इतना ही.
I posed. I'm done.
चलो लाइट जाएगी रीत आ जाओ एड शूट करने मस्त धूप आ रही है इम्पल्स के लिए एड शूट कर रहे सेल के लिए चलो
Many hours later.
guys in day 3 of trying weird coffee recipes today I'm making a bhutta coffee and let's see I'm in the kitchen and that's dangerous in itself yeah. वो राइट एंड शेरन इज लाइक रॉन्ग इंसान को ये काम दिया हमने दे बटर एक तो मैं नॉर्मली भी किचन में नहीं आती हूँ और अभी ये रेसिपीज रील बनाने के लिए मैं इतना किचन में आने लगी I have caramelized some brown sugar here. Okay, ठीक है. The real chef is this one. Shot आपको लेना है ना? पॉपकॉर्न बन रहा है गाइस पॉपकॉर्न हो रहा है कॉर्न इज पॉपिंग इट्स लिटरली पॉपिंग फ्रॉम द तवा कैरामेलाइज्ड कॉर्न प्यूरे अभी हम बनाएंगे कॉफी शॉट मिक्स करेंगे कॉर्न क्रीम विद कैरामेलाइज्ड कॉर्न व्हाट आर जजिंग मी दिस इज व्हाट गेट्स व्यूज ओके
पॉप क्यों हो रहा है मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
वो पॉप हो रहा है हाई प्रेशर में लोग पॉप होते हैं तो कॉर्न भी पॉप हो रहा है ये झटका लगेगा झटका साइड में रख दिस इज कॉर्न प्यूरी हम लाइट चेज कर रहे हैं इधर की लाइट गोल्डन आवर चेज करते हैं
The next day.
Good morning guys, it is 15 Jan and I was at a meeting since morning heading now to Soho House because lunch with Plum goodness they have arranged this intimate lunch with influencers and Reet घर से आ रहा है and I am going यहाँ से meeting से straight up for the lunch. I am a little late because my meeting ran long and let's go. I'm just 10 minutes away.
The next day.
Guys, I am going to do PR unboxing. It's Friday, is the end of the week and बहुत PR जमा हो गया है. मेरा walk-in भी है garbage जैसा dump जैसा बन गया डब्बों के साथ and मेरे mirror के पीछे भी बहुत डब्बे हैं. I don't think I've unboxed since 22nd December. तो Christmas से पहले से I've not unboxed. There's also some shopping जो मैंने खुद की है तो वो भी इसमें खोई पड़ी है. So let's do everything. Cutter please. Let's do unboxing. Mars Girls मैंने हर महीना कुछ launch करता है. मेरे को भूख लग रही है. मैंने नाश्ता भी नहीं की हूँ. Oh, this looks really good. Look at the packaging. Chamkila. They're liquid eyeliners. Chamkila liquid eyeliners. Oh. There's purple. There are lots of colors in the glitter eyeliner. Next is from Nykaa. Is this an order or is this PR? Let's open and see. You all know I love Isden's sunscreen. So Nykaa has sent this to me in PR. If you're a part of Nykaa affiliate program, you basically get the option to get a lot of PR from brands. You want the products and you will promote for maybe a story with link or something like that. पहली बार मैं ये वाला try कर रही हूँ. It's for depigmentation. I have used Isden and I really do love Isden sunscreen, so I'm excited to try this also. It's Active Unify SPF 50 plus PA4 plus. Fluid sunscreen है. Sharon उधर stories डाल रही है, मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पे बता रही हूँ. Next, we are making this process a little more efficient so the dabbas can leave the house. Right now मेरे घर में बहुत डब्बे because Amazon का एक return order आया है. तो वो जब return भेजता है तो बहुत सारे प्लम का जो कल हमने इवेंट अटेंड किया वो वाला सनस्क्रीन प्लम का ट्रू SPF पैकेजिंग इज दिस. No, the new packaging is not come. This is the rice water niacinamide sunscreen. I did a campaign for them this month also, and yesterday what event we attended was also theirs. So that's that. क्या चीज़ है इतनी भारी? What is this, Sharon? Christmas का socks है किसी ने?
ये श्वेता दी वाला है. श्वेता दी and there was one more brand, Dermafic.
Shweta di,
Yeah, I think Jovi.
Merry Christmas. Dermafic, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh, she made like a Christmas hamper. I had no idea. Yesterday she met me. She didn't even tell me. I literally messaged her since morning. Oh my god, there's a full freaking hamper. And why didn't she tell me? तो मैं Christmas के टाइम पे ही खोलती. What is in it? Hydra's body wash है bro. मैंने 3 body wash खरीदी है अभी. श्वेता दी, are you watching this? Why couldn't you tell me? मेरे को body wash नहीं खरीदना पड़ता. Dermafic's body wash. There are Christmas ornaments I could have put on my tree. And their body serum, body lotion, shower mousse, chamomile and vitamin E rich creamy foam in a Christmas stocking. So this was my Christmas gift from Shweta di that clearly I had no idea about. It's handwritten also. Dear Sarah, Merry Christmas, sending you festive cheer and good vibes this. She was going to Dubai and she was so busy with that. So I didn't even know there's a Christmas gift. Okay, thank you, Dee. Okay, there's a big box. Inside that, this is Plum's Christmas. ये मैंने सबकी स्टोरी पे देखा है.
हो गया.
क्या हुआ स्टोरी? अच्छा, तो ये डब्बा हम क्यों बचा के रखते हैं?
जो डब्बा आई थिंक है क्या उसमें?
There's a tree inside. ये सब डेकोरेशन वाले उसमें.
That is all. That's there. No products.
Products are also the minis are
तो ये
there.
वापस आया है.
हम के minis. So then why don't we give this giveaway?
Okay.
पूरा PR ही giveaway में डालो. I purchased these products, my Dove का body wash and Sahadev का coconut oil. So these have to be put to use. Okay, this is from a small business. Oh, there's a handwritten note. I love when small businesses write handwritten note. Hi, beautiful Sarah Di. I just want to take a moment to say a heartfelt thank you for supporting me and being open to this barter collaboration. It truly means more to me than words can fully express. Thank you for your kindness, your time and your trust. I'm so grateful for this support and opportunity and for the positive energy you bring. Every small step in this journey feels a little easier when kind souls like you show support. Pooja Sutar, owner of Shin Studio. This is so sweet. I love receiving small business PRs because that is so thoughtful. I can totally understand. I know getting in touch with me and my team is difficult. And if you're a small business, you want to send us stuff, you can drop a mail or DM me and we'll always be like, reaching out. But we get a lot of mails, which is why sometimes replies are difficult. But her jewelry is, Sharon, look at this. So nice. Dainty jewelry packaged also so nicely. Small businesses put so much effort in their package and I love buying dainty jewelry from small businesses. This is Shin Studio. Can you look at the handle? मैं page इधर डाल दूंगी. Shin Studio. These are the hoops I got. Sharon खुश हो जाएगी. She wants me to always have more jewelry. Dainty hoops. I selected these things myself. So she just sent me her website. This is so nice. I love the quality on this. It's like almost like a Versace logo and it's a kada and you all know I love. Yeah, it's a Versace logo. Aisa. Cute. Then I got a neck piece. Very simple, like a dainty heart. The other neck piece is with a colored stone. Very pretty. Thank you, Shin Studio. If you all want dainty jewelry, another page you all should check out is Shin Studio. I am going to put a story also, so Sharon will do that. Let's take a nashta break and be right back. But bhook lagi.
One eternity later.
Okay, we have this very big box and it is from this brand called Gub, which is basically like a grooming brand. So usme earbud, cotton pad. I anyways use their cotton pads and earbuds and nail cutter, all that. And they sent me an advent calendar, जो technically मुझे last year खोलना चाहिए था, but like I said, I'm a little late on this situation. काफी बड़ा है. How do these brands afford shipping for these big PR? Like I cannot. It's like a waste of money, right? Like
I am the thinking कि हम क्या सोची घर बनाए थे, कितना जगह होगा और ये मेरे के पीछे रहता रहता है, जगह ही नहीं है.
जगह ही नहीं है. हॉल में अभी आप देखोगे ना, मेरा हॉल वेयर हाउस है क्योंकि Amazon के डब्बे आए. We actually need an office. And if you remember last year we went to see an office and then the fire happened. Office होगा तो at least warehousing related and returns. Wow, this is very very big. Like bigger than my torso. How do these brands afford this packaging? भाई देखो, like ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. Advent calendar. I'm going to unbox the first box. It has gua sha roll-on and face mask applicator. ये सब मेरे को काम आने वाली चीज है. मैं इसमें से face mask लगाऊंगी. Beauty blender. Oh, they have hair clips also. Cute. Look. Sharon.
This is like a
Yeah. This is like
baby.
the best, huh?
This is like baby in a wonderland.
Yeah, these things are actually useful. Scrunchies. I use scrunchies because of curly hair. Then this is a scarf scrunchie. So cute. Like if I wear a nice cute dress, it will be nice. And these are those clips I do for makeup. वो वाले clips. clips है. Very nice product. पूरा products का एक बार we take. This is satin eye mask. I have a lot of eye masks. जब travel करना होता है मिलते नहीं है. And 2 more satin scrunchies. Eyelash curler. I do have the eyelash curler. I don't use eyelash curler with me. But these are all essential items for a girl. But I already have a lot of this. Oh, this is good. It's a detangling brush. It's like a Tangle Teaser का dupe, huh? जैसा shape किया है. Very nice. Then we've got cotton pads. This is what I need and I use. मुझे लगा पूरा डब्बा भर के cotton pads. And tweezers are there. This is also useful for eyebrows. Oil absorbing sheet. I didn't even know they have all this.
Wow, nice package.
Very, very useful. Beauty blender again. This is a big one. I think this is another cotton pad I want to say.
Oh.
Makeup brushes, foundation, powder and buff. I didn't know they have brushes. Wow. Look. Gub is very cheap also. Huh? Very affordable. Like unka ear. Matlab it's like 50 rupees, 60 rupees ka earbud and cotton pad. These are my face shaving razors. I don't use those that much. Triangle puffs. They are basically like a Marcy brand with grooming essentials. Ice roller, makeup wedges, reusable makeup remover pads, those cotton microfiber towels for your face. That I use. Last kit is, I think as a girl, if you would receive this advent calendar, you'd be very happy. Yeah. Eyelashes. Not the best quality, but tweezers useful. So I think what I like about them is उनके tools अच्छे हैं. मतलब tweezer, nail cutter, then
Cotton
your
pads.
roller, your cotton pad, your earbuds. Those grooming things are good. Scrunchies and the
Those are
clips.
not, huh.
Yeah. When unboxing is going on, Fudgy loves it because he wants to put his face in the dabba and do khush khush.
And do susu.
And do susu on dabbas. Dabba susu is his favorite. You know that day in the night we were just sitting and I heard him making susu and I came out and pura in the living room he had done on the this. Vishkar ने भी Christmas gift भेजा है. Wow. पानी का bottle. Vishkar ने हमेशा पानी का bottle
So
भेजा.
Panther, we only have brand pani ka bottle.
Yeah, we have only brand पानी का bottles like Hula Hoop, Wishcare, Charlotte Tilbury and Nykaa, yeah. And people on Reddit they said, oh she's a girl who has Stanley and this and I was like Stanley मैंने आज तक नहीं खरीदा. मेरे को फ्री में पानी का बोतल भेज रहे तो मैं क्यों खरीदूंगी? लोगों को हेट करने के लिए ना कुछ भी Stanley के शेप में दिखता है, but I have not purchased Stanley. The day I buy $30 का पानी का bottle is the day you all shoot me in the head. Oh, this is I think one of the first time I've got a PR from Kiro Beauty. I don't get Kiro Beauty
Maybe
from.
it got a blush also, no there.
हाँ blush बहुत time पहले आया था. Ooh, this is a nice one. This has got eyes and lips. It's got the I've seen a lot of good reviews about this lipstick. Huh? I think I'm also gonna wear it a lot. It's called the Pair with Our Viral 4-Play. It's good.
Very
You also use it, na?
I got collab.
Oh yeah, Sharon has done a collab with Kiro. छोटू सा ऐसा wand है इनका एकदम छोटू सा. But what is this new product? This is like an eye product and it has 4 eye things. So you have a mascara on one step, you have an eyeliner in another step. Wow, they are like all about hustler beauty. They should partner with me. And eyeshadow. Niche. 3-step eye routine. Your eyeliner, your mascara and your eyeshadow all in one. Nice stuff. Kiro's Clean Beauty. The lipstick, I think the formula is nice, but the colors they've sent me is not suiting me. Frisch Beauty has sent butter. ये खाने का butter है for your eyes. Butter for your eyes. Means what? Smells good. It's like a candle. Candles in PR with their 2 new kajals. Frisch Beauty's black and brown kajal. Kajal is always useful to me. मैं इतना लगाती नहीं हूँ, but जब मुझे makeup looks में experiment करना होता है. So thanks guys. Excited to try. This is another Christmas hamper from Rucha Beauty. Rucha has sent their Christmas hamper, Magic of 2026. Oh, their new Freck It Up. Their new product is here. They've sent a makeup pouch. Cute. They always send like a makeup pouch, which is very useful. And their new launch, the Freckle Pen. Freck It Up. It's a freckle pen. I don't do freckles, but now that I have this, I'm excited to try it out. The nib of this is very like fine. 2 colors है इसमें, Dotty AF and Coco Kiss. I think if you're lighter complexion than Coco Kiss, darker complexion Dotty AF. As Indians, we don't naturally have a lot of freckles, so it's exciting to like. The nib is so fine. Can you even see that? Like it's the finest pinpoint I've ever seen. Oh, it's a nice one. But do Indians use freckle pens? I don't look like strawberry shortcake, no? Like for me, freckles remind me of strawberry shortcake. I don't know. I'll have to do full face makeup and decide. But the formula looks really good. It's exactly how James Charles is describing his freckle pen. कि लगाओ और फिर multiply करो fingers से. So if you are somebody who's into that look, I think you'll like it. With setting also very fast. I need to remove it now. I look funny. Oh, they had sent a cup but टूट गया. ये delivery partners ना इतनी गंदी तरीके से पैकेजिंग को फेंकते हैं. कप इतना प्यारा कप है जो टूट गया. And they've sent candles. Okay guys, that's all for this PR unboxing. We're done.